Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a link in Amazon account. If you joined the Amazon affiliate for the first time, this is how you're going to see your account. So in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step way how you can create a link in that, and it's actually very simple and there is nothing complicated over here. So what you need to do is to go to your Amazon associate account, like over here. This is how your Amazon associate account looks like. So if you click on this is how you're going to see everything over here, right? This is how you're going to see everything. This is your Amazon associate account, and this wherever you the money that you're going to make, this is where you can see everything, the clicks and everything. This is how you're going to see everything. So what you need to do is to click on these three lines over here and then go to this section where it says tools section and click on this tribe site section. So site tribe section over here, this is how the site tribe looks like over here. This the platform that allows you to create a link in Amazon. Yes, so this if you want to promote any product, there's no link over here, and you cannot even go ahead by just copying the link by clicking on the link and then just copy this long link over here. They have short link that contains your tracking distance that can help you track everything that you are doing on the internet right now. So you want to create that, all you need to do is to go to the section where it says tools section over here and then go to this section where it says site stripe over here. So with the site stripe, this is how we're going to enable it over here. Alright, so to enable the site stripe, all you need is to go to the section where it says learn more. So you will see everything over here that it says learn more. Just click on the learn more button and then you can see where you display status. So what you need to do is to turn on this, and it's simple as that. You can go ahead and then refresh your Amazon account right now. So you could see that this is a site stripe, everything, the link. This is how you can create the link. So right after doing that, you can click on any product. Like if I want to promote this product over here, I can just come ahead to this session and then click on, just wait for it to load, and then right after loading, what I'm going to do right now is to click on this get link over here. So this get link is going to generate a unique link that you can use to track whatever you are doing on the internet on Amazon platform. So whenever somebody clicks on that unique link that was being generated, that's how you can earn money. But before then, you just have to check the commission rate before you go ahead to promote any product. So you could see over here, this product is paying me $3 right over here. So what I need to do is to click on this get link over here. So this is the short link, and then we have the full link over here. So the short link is this, so you can copy this and then go ahead and open it wherever you want to open it. So you paste and it's going to load that same product for you. This is how you can create links in Amazon with a very simple steps. If you have liked the video, just subscribe, like the video, and if you love content like this, comment down below, and whatever you want me to do, I'll show you my next one. See you in my next one, and see you. Stay safe and then peace out.